What is the value of the expression 5 squared plus 90 divided by 5 then times 9? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is actually very easy, but it tricks 99% of people. Let's go step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, many people start by calculating 5 squared first, and instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 25 plus 90 divided by 5 then times 9. And the next step, they usually perform the addition between 25 and 90 and simplify this expression to 115 divided by 5 times 9. Then, they proceed by doing the division between 115 and 5, which gives them 23 times 9. And finally, they multiply 23 by 9, which ends up with the answer 207. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression 5 squared and they simplify it to 25 plus 90 divided by 5 then times 9. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 5 and 9 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 25 plus 90 divided by 45. Next, they perform the division between 90 and 45 since they believe division has priority over addition. And they rewrite this expression as 25 plus 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 27. And immediately, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule step by step. It means that we need to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then an addition sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplified to 25 plus 90 divided by 5 then times 9. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 90 and 5, and this expression simplifies to 25 plus 18 then times 9. Now, it's time to do the multiplication between 18 and 9, which gives us 25 plus 162. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to 187. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 99 divided by 9 times open parentheses 5 plus 6 close parentheses? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's break it down and solve it together. And the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 99 divided by 9 multiplied by 11. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 9 and 11 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 99 divided by 99, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. To solve this question, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. So, we start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 99 divided by 9 multiplied by 11. Now, it's time to simplify this expression. It's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 99 and 9. We simplify this expression to 11 multiplied by 11. And finally, the value of this expression will be 121.